My goal is to make a casual LinkedIn reader fall in like with you enough to want to call or Zoom with you. Then in conversation, they fall in love with you. Then they connect with you on LinkedIn. They hire you. And then they refer you to others. Don't just take my word for it. Listen to what clients who are thrilled with their revised LinkedIn profiles have to say.
Mark not only is a master LinkedIn expert and coach, but an expansive teacher of meaningful connection, something we need now more than ever.
Mark helped me find the common thread that unifies all my entrepreneurial ventures. When you ask me who I am, I have my story now. I'm a multipreneur.
Your personalized one-to-one LinkedIn coaching includes 4 90-minute sessions. Be prepared, there's homework, but as one client said, it's totally worth it. At the end of 4 sessions, you'll have full appreciation of the art of LinkedIn, how to use it, and how to best portray yourself in one kick-ass LinkedIn profile. I'm looking for serious clients who want to invest in themselves and in their LinkedIn branding. If you want to know more about how I do it, see my LinkedIn profile, or pick up the phone, or text with me, or Zoom with me to start a customized conversation on your particular needs.